Sabi po ni Attorney Harry Roque, ang laki raw po ng ano ninyo, delegation ninyo, at junket lang daw po ang pagpunta nyo rito.
Oo, hindi pa nga ako. Wala pa akong tulog si Secretary at si Attorney Dennis. No? Hindi po dyan.
Secretary,
Para po ito servisyo po para sa atin.
okay, set the record straight. Where is Zaldico? Because the term of the Justice Department that he is under the jurisdiction of the Czech Republic is a very broad term, the jurisdiction itself. It can be anywhere as long as it's in the territory of the Czech Republic, or it can be in a detention facility. Where exactly is Zaldico?
That is something that on that question, I have no specific answer yet as of now.
Why, sir?
I have no relevant and validated information as to that fact. So I don't want to speculate, diba? Kasi that will lead to misinformation or disinformation. So hanggang hindi po natatapos yung pakikipagpulong ng inyong lingkod sa Czech authorities, sa representative ng Czech authorities, hindi ho ako makapagbigay ng payag.
So, kumusta po yung ating application for a red notice?
Application yung sa red notice. Okay, I saw that document. It's a November 24, no, application for a red notice from the BCPC. To date, no, as far as our records duly verified and validated, wala pang red notice.
Secretary, you mentioned po na masidhi yung pagnanasa ng mga Pilipino. Interest is very high. And probably when news comes out later on or tomorrow, maraming madidisappoint because apparently hindi maiuwi si Zaldico. We don't know exactly where he is. There is a chance na he is no longer in the Czech Republic. How will you deal with criticisms that say na baka premature po yung naging announcement doon sa pagkakahuli in the term of the president last week?
I don't want to speculate na baka premature, no? Of course, it could be a reality 5 days from now after the meeting, di ba? It could be a reality. I'll report to you again after my meeting with kung ano yung validate at verify natin. May disappointment? Possible?
So sir, ano ngayon, bali ang situation po ngayon is DOJ and MOJ na pong nag-uusap. Hindi na po kayo nakikipag-usap sa police or lagpas na po ba tayo sa level na yun?
Alam niyo yung pag-uusap, patuloy yan eh. Network yan eh. Diba? May mga counterparts sila. Patuloy na nagsasalin-salin ng iba't ibang impormasyon. Diba? Ang masasabi ko lang, yung sa level ng ang engagement na gusto ng Department of Justice is with the Ministry of Justice. Kasi yun yung counterpart namin.